Next concept, matching networks. First of all, what is matching? Whenever the load impedance is equal to source impedance, the network is called matching network. In that case, maximum power will deliver to the load. For example, if load impedance or load resistance RL is not equal to RS, in that case, the network is mismatched and maximum power will not transfer to the load. So there are some losses. So how to convert mismatched network to matched network? That is explained by matching, the help of concept of matching. So matching networks are used to convert mismatched networks to matched networks by inserting matching network between the load and source. Here the matching network must be lossless. It is designed in such a way that it will not create any losses in the network. So there are different types of matching networks are there. L match, T match and pi match. So first L matches. Why it is called L match means here inductors and capacitors are arranged in the form of L, simply L match. Here source resistance RS or source impedance ZS, load impedance ZL. If these two are not equal, so we are introducing this L match network. Here L and C are connected in the form of L. Inductor and capacitor are connected in the form of L. There are different types of L match networks. Here series inductance, shunt capacitor. Here opposite. Shunt capacitor, shunt inductance, series capacitor. Here series capacitance, series and parallel, both are capacitors. Here series capacitance, shunt inductance. Parallel capacitor, series inductance. Here both are inductors. So these are some types of L match networks which are placed between load and source in order to convert the mismatched networks to matched network. Next, T match. So why it is called T match means it is in the form of T shape. So here L1, L2 and C. Here series resistance RS and here input resistance RN. So to analyze this, we are splitting this into two L sections. So this C is split as C1 plus C2. So this is one L section, this is another L section. How to analyze this means, here this L2, C2, RS are neither in parallel nor in series. So it is not possible to analyze that network. So we need to convert this series L2 RS to parallel. There is some impedance transformation relationship. By using that relationship, we are transforming this RS and L2 into parallel. Okay. So at resonance, so there is some formula. This RS, if this RS is transformed to parallel, that I will explain that concept. From this, how to analyze this L section, So to analyze this, I am converting this L2 RS to parallel. That means inductors. These are as it is. This is C1. This is L1. And this is C2 as it is. here C2. Now there is some formula to convert series inductance to parallel inductance, and similarly series resistance to parallel resistance Rp, which is 1 plus Q2 square into Rs into Rs. So at resonance, the inductance of this, the reactance of this cancel. So at resonance, this reactant cancel. If you look from this side, the input resistance is Rp. So now this entire network is replaced by Rp. Now here Rp and C1 are parallel, but L1 is series. We need to convert this series, parallel C1 and Rp into series R1 and Rs. So overall, the quality factor Q is equal to omega naught Ri, intermediate resistance, into C1 plus C2, which is equal to square root of Ri by Rn minus 1 plus square root of Ri by Rs minus 1. These are the design equation. So the formula for C1 plus C2 is equal to Q by omega naught Ri. L1 is equal to Q left, and left side L section quality factor, Rn by omega naught. L2 is equal to Q right, Rs by omega naught. Next, pi match. So why it is called pi match means here capacitor inductors are in shape of phi. Here parallel resistance, input resistance are in. So to analyze this, we are decomposing this into two L sections. So this is one L section, this is another L section. To analyze this, we need to convert this parallel C2 Rp into series. So this Ri is the intermediate resistance. At resonance, the reactance of L2, C2s cancel to each other. If you look from this side, here the input resistance is equal to Ri. Okay. Once again, this parallel series L1 and Ri need to convert to parallel. So these are design equations of pi match. Omega naught L2 by Ri is equal to square root of Rp by Ri minus 1, which is equal to quality factor of right side L section. Similarly, omega naught L1 by Ri is equal to square root of Rn by Ri minus 1, quality factor of left side. So overall quality factor Q is equal to omega naught L1 plus L2 by Ri. So formula for square root of Rn by Ri minus 1, square root of Rp by Ri minus 1. So L1 plus L2 is equal to Q Ri by omega naught. C1 is equal to Q left by omega naught Rn. C2 is equal to Q right omega naught Rp. Overall Ri is equal to root Rn plus root Rp whole square by Q square. These are some comparisons of L match. L match has limited number of control over the limited parameters.